Got a John Deere Ztrak 757 and was replacing the main belt here for the blades. I guess that's like the primary belt on the bottom of the pulley stack over there. And then on the top it goes to the blade deck. That's the belt for the blade deck. The top pulley, the bottom one comes up here. And it goes to the PTO clutch pulley here. Now, as I was retightening this PTO keeper piece right here, see if I can get this kind of in place. That goes right there, and there's a big bolt, and then this that holds it in place. And then this goes right there. See, that kind of stays in place. That keeps this PTO from spinning round and round. That's the only thing that keeps that thing spinning round and round. As I went to tighten it back up, thread it in nice and easy. However, if you look close there, it would not stop spinning. It would get to a little tight, and then it wanted to continue spinning. If you look down in there, those threads are pretty jacked up. And the proper thing to do would be to drill this out and replace, tap it with some new threads and put a thread insert in there. And it looks like someone has done that in the past. If you see that little thread moving right there, someone has put, we used to call it Healy coil. I guess it's just a steel thread insert. So the block is aluminum, and then it's drilled out, tapped with new threads into the aluminum, and then with a special tool you install the thread insert. And this one has stripped. See that? That insert has failed right there. See those threads? So the option here would be to drill this back out, remove that stuff, remove that thread insert, and then tap new threads again into the aluminum block and reinstall a new insert, steel thread insert, that would take the bolt to hold that bracket there in place, or slap a dollop of JB weld on the threads and cross your fingers. So, you know, just try to go with it the way it is now, and then getting that bolt out is going to be difficult. But if you ever have to take it out again, which someday you will have to, hopefully it won't be stuck in there and you wouldn't be able to remove it. That would be pretty bad. But anyways, that's kind of the options there. You know, you can go for the proper fix, which is to drill this out, tap it, put in proper thread insert, steel thread insert, get a new bolt, and then mount that up properly. If this fails and it falls out during operation and you have that blade engaged, the blades engaged in the PTO clutch, if it's not stopped by this arm, that bolt falls out, that is just going to spin round and round, and it's going to rip that wire harness there, those wires that go to the PTO. It'll just cut them. Worst case scenario, it'll cut them, and you won't be able to use that the PTO clutch anymore, and those are expensive. So, really expensive. So anyway, that's just an update on what's going on with this.